seriously, just to get rid of this tree at the campsite for sure.
That's what I was thinking. This would last us pretty much the whole summer. We usually spend a good 40 minutes so we don't have to run around all day. We're self-isolating just in case.
Out in the woods where it's safe.
Yeah, we're in the woods.
Alright, I guess I'll start a fire now.
So I brought the Speedy Sharp, and I'm gonna give her, well, my rule, you know, will give me 40 seconds. If I can't, we'll see what happens.
Why'd you open this?
Mark's a really good bass guy, so I don't know. I thought they would have been useless.
No, they'll make we use them as a floor.
Okay.
Fire started on.
All right. We don't get too political, but what do you think about the outbreak, Mark? You know, is it?
Really?
I know. We won't get into
I
it.
know, it's whatever. 44 and healthy, bring it on. COVID.
Yeah.
Not too worried about it, man.
Anyway. We're gonna be well fed. The roast beef, prime rib, and we're pretty happy with the water. So. So the back path goes in. So open water there, and then open water to there. And back like. Got some grandfather's beard on the way in. Makes things easy. We're gonna try this with a spark. So 2 for 2. See what happens. It's good to be back. It's good to be out here. We're excited about the spring, which spring starts in 9 hours, I think, buddy, give or take. We're very happy about this.
Yeah. You better run, you better take cover. It was pretty tight, it was pretty like nappy. So I just kind of fluff it up a little bit here.
Alright, we'll be back. It's gonna be good. Cheers.